What's up team, Conor Sloan here and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be discussing how you can gain bigger, stronger, leaner, more powerful and athletic shoulders and 3D delts by using your own body as the most effective machine in the world. So you will need no gym, no equipment needed, you will be using your own body as the most effective machine in the world. And I'm going to be showcasing from the basic exercises right through to the more advanced movements that you can implement into your routine to help you gain those bigger, stronger, more powerful and athletic shoulders. So get ready and let's do this. So team, there is some of the most effective bodyweight only mass building shoulder exercises that you can go ahead and perform absolutely anywhere with no gym and no equipment needed, using your own body as the most effective machine in the world. Please be sure to implement some of those movements into your next routine and let me know how you get on, because they're super effective movements for whenever you're looking to build up those bigger, stronger, more powerful shoulders and 3D delts. Team, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what more videos you want to see and what you thought of this video. And team, if you haven't, please be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. And all these exercises are based upon the Building Your Physique program, okay? Taking you from your current level of fitness to master your body weight by losing unwanted body fat, building lean, strong, functional and athletic muscle, and by getting you into the best shape and the best health of your life by using your body as the most effective machine in the world. So if you're interested, click the link below and apply now. But team, in the meantime, have a very good day and I'll see you in the next one.